These anime videos can be upgraded to 4K quality in just a few minutes. With this video demonstration, you can easily take your favorite anime videos or old anime images to the next level. Hi everyone. Welcome back to UniFab's channel. Now I'm going to show you how to do this. What we need is UniFab Video Upscaler AI, a professional AI video enhancer suitable for all users. We open the software and select Upscaler. Then, just drag and import the anime video you want to upgrade. Next, adjust the video parameters and preview. You can rename the video here, and you can also see the resolution, audio and video format and file size of the imported video. Here you can adjust these three buttons to adjust the video trim, crop and audio. By changing the video resolution and selecting the output video and audio format, we choose 4K, the audio format is the same as the original, and the video format is MP4. Go to Settings. You can change the quality of the video by adjusting the bitrate and changing the model to animation model. Next, you can customize the audio and subtitle settings. Here you can preview according to your needs. The preview rendering takes some time. And you can see the obvious comparison between the before and after effects. The video has become much clearer and sharper. Finally, export the video. You can see that UniFab's export speed is very fast. Let's take a look at the final effect. We can clearly see that the enhanced video is much clearer. Zooming in on the picture, you can see that the details of the picture are restored very well, very sharp and clear, and a very shocking visual experience. The effect of UniFab enhancement is very good. Through the effect display, speed and operation, you can see that UniFab is very powerful. We are very happy to invite you to use UniFab Upscaler AI. You can download our software for free, and it includes a free trial after downloading. If you feel it is good, UniFab Upscaler AI is currently on sale, with the lifetime price at $69.99. Come and subscribe. We not only have Upscaler AI, but also many other powerful AI functions. The price of all-in-one is also on sale. The price of lifetime is $299.99. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more AI tools and more useful videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.